When you are dealing with the traditional PDF readers, then there are major issues you face. For example, extracting the information or making some minor changes in that document. Whether it's any kind of a legal document or your academic document, these kind of limitations are a major roadblock because they are taking much time to complete small tasks, and definitely they are creating frustration at the end. With the Evolution AI, there are many PDF readers in the market which are helping you to read your any kind of a PDF document efficiently. Not only reading, you can do edit and you can summarize the information and you can perform multiple tasks on those PDF files which were impossible before the integration of AI. This video is focusing on a PDF reader and editor which is not only going to help you to read the PDF, along with make a lot of basic and advanced changes in that PDF. You can access the tool from the link available in the description box. After clicking the download file, you will be able to install this tool into your system. Here you have the option to upload multiple files at one time, and you can use its open PDF feature to upload any file. For example, this is a specific document you want to explore with the help of a PDNob editor, and there are multiple options. You can see all the features of the tool on the top bar of the tool. When we click at the home, you will come up with these all kind of options which are going to make your reading plus editing of your PDF file. Just by clicking on this specific arrow, you can select the information, you can change the color of this specific information, you can underline it, you can cross it, or you can place underline under that content. For example, if you want to highlight this information and want to include this information in your studies, you can highlight it just by clicking on the highlighter, and you can change the color of text also. So you have to select it again, and here is you will find the option to change the color you want to keep in. You can also design specific color to specific kind of changes you are making in your document. After that, you can also place the stickers of your requirement to make the changes more visible and to put your comments more clearly in that document. For example, you can use these kind of stickers, you can place the numbers, you can place the notes, pencils, you can show the modes, and you can also use the pin emojis to highlight or specify any specific kind of information. You can also use a different kind of editing option in which you can even edit the text, and you can make the changes in the text just by typing the information you want to keep in that specific document, and you can even edit the images. For example, if I want to edit the text and I want to change this specific word, I can make the changes. The insights shows, for example, in this review provide a valuable information. So I can not only highlight the information, I can remove or add any information I want to add in that document with the help of PDNob editor. If I want to add the comments on that specific line or a paragraph or a section of that PDF file, I can use add a text feature and can write the information, and I can replace it, and I can even change the color of this information to make it different from the already written content. And for that purpose, I will use these features which are available on the right side of the tool, and I can change the color, I can change the style even, I can make it underline, I can change the size of that specific text which I have inserted. So I can make all the changes which have been mentioned on the right side to make that comment more visible and more prominent. You can merge a PDF, and you can also compress the size of the PDF. You can also do the screen recording of a specific section you want to explain, or you want to add some audio note on that specific piece of information. For example, if I want to do recording of this paragraph, I have to select the paragraph, and then I will press this recording button, and it will allow me to even select the mic, and I will be able to explain that information by putting my cursor around or by making the changes or highlighting and adding the comments. So this video recording feature of this editor tool make it more easy and understandable of all the comments which I am placing on that specific document. You can also see multiple pages at one time. You can protect your file before sharing with somebody, and you can place the code, and it can be accessible only to those with whom you share your password. And in this way you can just share the information with others, but nobody can copy or nobody can download it or make any kind of changes in your document. So the security of your information issue has also been resolved by this PDF tool. You can even crop the page. For example, if you want to share this information, you can crop that information, and you can also share that specific piece or part of that PDF file with the concerned person you want to share that information. You can also edit the watermarks. You can add the watermarks in your document. You can add header and footer in your document, and can add specific text you want to enter in a header and a footer section. In the same way, you can add the link of any external source you want to link with the specific information available in that document. For example, if I want to link a source of information, or I want to link a document available externally with that specific information, I can copy the link of that specific paper, video, or any kind of a book, ebook, and then I will place that link here, and this will, when I click on that specific text, I will be directed to that link or a source information that I have inserted here. I can add the images in my text, and before adding the image, definitely I have to make a proper place to place that image, and for that purpose I will use edit text feature, and it will allow me to generate the space between these two paragraphs where I want to insert the image. You can also use OCR feature, which is going to help you to extract a text and make it editable from scanned PDFs, and for that purpose you have to click on OCR PDF and have to select that PDF that has been converted into an image after scanning, and you can perform OCR by selecting it scan to editable text or scan to searchable text in the image. For example, if you want to search any specific terms, then you can select this option. After selecting the scan to editable text and language, I can perform OCR. First, I have to save this file, and now I can edit text of the highlighted area. This is the way I can make changes in any kind of a image, any kind of a scanned PDF document, and you can do this for any kind of your educational or professional purpose. This PDF editor is integrated with AI, and with the help of this AI integration, I can summarize complete research paper by just using its summarize feature, and even I can chat with the research paper by asking the customized questions. In this way, I will be able to understand the specific section of the research paper or of any document on which I'm focusing on. After doing all the changes, I can download this file. So before downloading this file, I have to save this file, and after that I will choose the output format in which I want to download this file. For example, I want to convert this PDF file into a Word file. I will select my output format as a Word doc, and then I press the convert button. Now you can see that this file, which was available in the PDF format initially, is available in a Word file, and this tool will automatically save that new file into the previous folder from where I have uploaded this file into the tool. So I hope so this brief video is going to help you to learn this tool and to explore all the features of this tool, and will help you to do hands-on when you are going to use this tool. You can access the tool from the link which is available in the description box, and subscribe this channel for these kind of related videos. If you want any kind of assistance and you're looking for any kind of skills which are going to help you in your research and academic career, don't forget to visit our website www.scientificpakistan.com. We'll see you another side. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.